Pharmaceutical medical coding, insights into its role in clinical trial processes. In the context of clinical trials, the meticulous collection and management of data are fundamental to the success and reliability of the research outcomes. The increasing complexity of medical terminology in clinical trials necessitates the use of standardized medical coding systems to ensure uniformity in data interpretation. This data collection process is primarily conducted through case record forms (CRFs) for paper-based studies and electronic case record forms (eCRFs) for digital or web-based trials. These data collection instruments are meticulously designed to capture a wide range of relevant information that is crucial for evaluating the safety and efficacy of clinical interventions. Key elements documented in these forms include adverse events (AEs), medical history (MH), and concomitant medications (CM) that participants may be taking concurrently with the study medication. This article provides an overview of the processes involved in medical coding within clinical data management, specifically highlighting the role of established medical dictionaries like the Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities (MADRA) and the World Health Organization Drug Dictionary Enhanced (WHODDE). In the medical coding workflow, the pre-coding process involves a series of important steps to ensure that the relevant medical coding dictionaries are correctly integrated into the coding tool used for clinical trials. These dictionaries aid in categorizing medical terms from reports generated throughout the life cycle of clinical trials, addressing challenges such as variations in data presentation due to diverse investigator backgrounds. Medical coding typically involves a pre-coding process, followed by autocoding where terms matching those in the dictionary are automatically assigned codes. However, discrepancies may arise, necessitating manual coding to address unclear or ambiguous terms. The medical coding team plays a critical role in ensuring accurate coding by collaborating with investigators to clarify ambiguous terms and rectify errors in data recorded on case report forms (CRFs). The MADRA structure includes multiple hierarchical levels from low-level terms (LLTs) to system organ classes (SOCAs), providing a comprehensive framework for handling diverse medical terms. Common issues faced by coders, including illegible terms, abbreviations, and improper categorization, are also discussed. By understanding these processes and challenges, medical coders can enhance the reliability of clinical trial data, ultimately contributing to safer and more effective therapeutic outcomes. In conclusion, accurately managing and reducing errors in medical coding and billing is crucial for the accuracy and financial health of an organization. To minimize these errors, it's essential to provide thorough training on coding standards, conduct regular audits and monitoring, and enhance knowledge in areas such as medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, medical abbreviations, and diagnoses. While coding and billing mistakes can be avoided, understanding their root causes is key to effectively reducing and managing them. Introduction. Accurate reporting of medical information in clinical trials is essential to ensure patient safety and reliable research outcomes. Clinical trials test how safe and effective new treatments or medical devices are through different phases, from early studies to post-approval monitoring. Information is collected using detailed forms, either on paper or digitally, which track things like side effects, medical history, and other medications taken by participants. In large trials conducted at multiple sites or countries, differences in language, local practices, and recording methods can lead to inconsistent data. To solve this, researchers use a process called medical coding, which turns complex medical details into standardized terms using global dictionaries like MedDRA and HUDIDE. This helps ensure that data is interpreted the same way everywhere. Medical coding is not just helpful, it's required by regulations. It improves data accuracy, supports fair analysis across locations, and helps researchers draw clearer conclusions about new treatments. Conclusion: medical coding involves converting procedures, healthcare diagnoses, medical services, and equipment into alphanumeric codes. Kambale et al., 2025. Accurately managing and reducing errors in medical coding and billing is crucial for the accuracy and financial health of an organization. Most errors stem from factors such as inadequate documentation, improper coding and modifiers, service unbundling, and a lack of familiarity with coding guidelines, anatomy, and medical terminology. To minimize these errors, it's essential to provide thorough training on coding standards, conduct regular audits and monitoring, and enhance knowledge in areas such as medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, medical abbreviations, and diagnoses. While coding and billing mistakes can be avoided, understanding their root causes is key to effectively reducing and managing them. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.